a big hello. I just wanted to let you guys know, for the people who have said such nice things about my hair, I just want you to know that when it looks good and you guys like it, it's usually because it's not all my hair. So this is what it looks like at the end of the shoot when I take my hair off and I go to pick up my little rascals at school. I definitely am a big fan of hair extensions and another product called Bump Its. So I'll give you a little behind the scenes on that. And there's definitely hope. I did lose a lot of my hair during COVID. It was so stressful. I hope you guys didn't go through a very stressful time, but it was pretty stressful for me. And a lot of my hair came out. I mean, like gobs and gobs of hair came out. So after that, I started using Rogaine, and it's definitely been helping. I feel like the hair up here is much stronger and thicker coming back in than what happened during 2020. So Rogaine's been helping, and also to rebuild my lashes, Latisse is fabulous. And I also have a lot of clients who use the Rodan and Fields eyelash serum, and they love it. It grows their lashes really healthy and big. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried either one of those, Rodan and Fields or Latisse, and what do you think? And then let me show you just a few hair tips. I'll show you the Bump It that I use and some of the hairstyles that I've created with these fabulous extensions. And the Bump It's like a velvet piece that has Velcro on it. And it really makes you look like you have a lot of hair, which is fun. I hope you enjoy.
Here we go. I'm starting out with a heat protectant and leave-in conditioner by Redken. And then I'm going to go in with Big Sexy Hair, What a Tease Backcomb in a bottle. Or you could use the yellow can, which is the Schwarzkopf Gotta Be Glued. That one's a little less expensive. But you spray the roots and then get a Boar Bristle teasing brush and tease it up until you're ready to put in your GMJ volumizing hair puff. You see the Velcro on the sides? This is from my neighborhood beauty supply. All of these hair puffs are hair puffs, but there's no Velcro. So you're going to have to pin it in. They're really hard to work with, and they're just kind of like dry sponges that are in hair color. This one is great. It's velvet with the Velcro. And look, I took my hand away and it's still staying. Like, you can be really confident with this one. If someone hugs you or if the wind blows, no one's going to have any idea that you have this big piece underneath your hair. They're going to think your hair just has really amazing volume. So cover it in the back. Make sure you have a good mirror set up. And then I just went in with some cubic zirconia hairpins from Amazon. Super easy. Just pin up the back and then off you go. The volume at the crown is what gives it such glamour. You know, you get a little Audrey Hepburn moment. And these are pictures from the Kennedy Center Honors, which was a total blast. This was me after the Kennedy Center Honors taking my hair out. You can see how secure that volumizing hair puff is from GMJ. It's not easy to take it out. It's not going to damage your hair, but you know it's going to stay. So I hope you guys have fun with this. Have a sense of humor with yourself, and I will see you next time for the next video.